Welcome to this step-by-step guide on calculating cosine values. In this video, we will learn how to find the cosine ratio in right-angled triangles. This is a fundamental skill in trigonometry that is used in many fields, from architecture to game design. Let's get started. First, we need to understand our shapes. Trigonometric ratios like cosine only work directly with right-angled triangles. A right-angled triangle is defined by having one 90-degree angle, often marked with a small square. The side directly opposite this right angle is called the hypotenuse. It is always the longest side of the triangle. So, what exactly is cosine? Simply put, cosine is a function that describes a specific ratio between two sides of a triangle. For any given angle theta, the cosine is the length of the adjacent side divided by the length of the hypotenuse. It is usually abbreviated as SOH. A common way to remember this formula is using the mnemonic SOH CAH TOA. We are focusing on the middle part, CAH. The letter C stands for cosine, A stands for adjacent, and H stands for hypotenuse. This reminds us that cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. The first step in any calculation is to clearly identify the angle you are working with. This is your reference point. In mathematics, we often use the Greek symbol theta to represent this angle. Every side we label next will be based on its position relative to this specific angle. Now let's label the relevant sides. We already know the hypotenuse is the longest side opposite the right angle. The other important side for cosine is the adjacent side. Adjacent literally means next to. So, the adjacent side is the one that touches your angle theta but is not the hypotenuse. We can ignore the opposite side for now. Once you have your sides labeled, step 3 is simply plugging the numbers into the formula. Recall that cosine theta equals adjacent divided by hypotenuse. You take the length of the adjacent side and divide it by the length of the hypotenuse. This gives you a decimal value, which is your cosine ratio. Let's try an example. Here we have a triangle with sides measuring 3, 4, and 5. First, we identify our angle theta. Next, we label the sides. The side measuring 4 is adjacent to the angle. The side measuring 5 is the hypotenuse. We ignore the side measuring 3. Applying the formula, we divide 4 by 5, which equals 0.8. Let's look at a trickier example where the triangle is rotated. Our angle theta is at the top. The side labeled 12 is touching the angle, so it is the adjacent side. The side labeled 13 is opposite the right angle, making it the hypotenuse. We divide 12 by 13 to get approximately 0.92. To wrap up, remember these key points. Cosine applies to right-angled triangles. Always find your angle first, then label the adjacent and hypotenuse sides. Use the mnemonic CAH to remember that cosine is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. With practice, identifying these sides becomes second nature.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.